Crawfish New Orleans ball. Have a resurrection, man. You dig? That shit smell good too. I can smell that. Smell that. Woo! Best chef in New Orleans right here.
You gotta get you
Yes, Lord.
people can tell what kind of phone.
This a Google pistol though. Look at that.
What's it get?
Y'all can see y'all in there.
To see listening to Swami ASMR like
Every night.
You see you, Pooh?
Gumball down. I had went in there.
No, I trained on I trained on seafood boil.
Hey, Presidente, y'all already know what it's called? MukBang?
MukBang? I don't know.
What it's called?
ASMR.
Uptown, downtown.
ASMR.
Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on?
Uptown.
I wanted some potatoes with this joint.
They got potatoes inside.
Got potatoes in the side?
Yeah.
Let's go Spiller right there. You dead. Twin right there. You dead. Favorite nieces right here. You feel me? Y'all already know what's going on. Y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Y'all see what's going on. Louisiana New Orleans MukBang.
I say, ooh.
You still got your...
Yeah, whole family. Yeah, the entire family.
Where?
Ooh.
Who's that?
Boy, that's the mother bee.
They got a whole bunch of those. I see them all.
How you know that's the mother
got-
bee? There ain't no mother bee. They protect the mother
That's a
bee.
wasp.
They bring
That's not the
food.
wasp.
I saw it.
They bring food to the mother bee.
They had a wasp about a go.
Right, do that thing. I've been
say,
doing
ooh.
that thing. But that thing like that.
Like, ooh. Ooh.
Nothing like that. Woo.
I say, wait, skate, hey,
One day Draco's gonna die from messing with the bug.
Don't say that. How you gonna die by a
You
bee?
shall not.
No, because Draco was playing with the crawfish and got pinched. And he be pulling everything. He'd be scared of it when he first showed it, and then he'd be like,
Try to tell everybody. Y'all see what's going on. Huh?
he could think he a big dog.
That's what little dogs feel. They got the big dog complex. Like chihuahuas and all that.
He's
No,
not a chihuahua.
like-
I know a big dog that's scared of
Little dogs?
Pooh Bear,
A
my
chihuahua.
niece. My dog right here, day one. Day one.
Shine.
Real old.
Bro, let me dip some shrimp in
Please,
your
we're
own
fine
thing.
to fly. I mean, shine.
Hmm?
We're fine to
What you do with my keys?
Just dip it.
It's on the hook. It's on the hook. The bananas are cooking.
Shit.
Dip this for me.
Dip it. Don't dip it.
Why you ain't gonna say nothing to my people?
Boy,
Dang.
Y'all ugly.
I got a part.
She don't mean that. She don't mean that.
Ooh, it's a big one.
Ew.
You don't use that. You don't use that like that. I don't understand what's going on. Man. Disgusting, dog.
I didn't mean it.
Man, what that is? How you do that?
That's just
Hey, you doing that? Show me your nails. Show me your nails.
My nails and all the stuff on here.
No.
I said, what?
Your nails, dog.
But that's
Skate
the
and,
thing.
what's it for?
All the YouTubes on the way. Drop out. You know what I mean? I want to drop your IG, man. What's up?
The IG?
Like, come on, twin.
The IG?
What's going on, twin?
Twin.
What's
Which
Lord?
one? Which one? Drop my main IG?
Wherever you want them to have.
No heart, dot spitter.
Come on, man. You can't.
Come
you
on,
can't.
chase a bag.
Never
Chase a bag.
Never chase. No chase. Chase a bag. That's the name of it.
Ooh, look at that bun. Look at it. Look at it.
Look
That's
at
the
it,
name of
look
your
at it.
IG.
Look at it,
No
guys.
heart, dot spitter. Chase a bag.
Come on, man. That's you saying it fast. Y'all can't
No
get. We
heart.
saying it fast, right?
No heart, dot spitter. Chase a bag.
We're gonna put it in the description and I'm gonna edit it on there. We're gonna put it on there.
I didn't
Here,
know.
right here. Good
What?
athlete. They can't see you, Harry.
I don't care.
Yeah, she mean, all
Add
right.
me on Roblox too.
Come on,
Yeah,
Harry.
I'll be streaming on that Roblox.
What?
TTV NANNI.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna add you back. Maybe.
Just follow him.
Oh.
Just follow him on Roblox.
Say your roadblock again.
TTV NANNI.
Isn't that your Discord too?
No.
You be lit on that
That was
thing
your
too.
old Discord?
It was like a movie when they be on that
Yeah,
thing.
we
I
got
ain't gonna lie.
drinks, switches.
I both on that thing all night. So if y'all on that roadblock, I do go in.
Until the boy, I'll be on Street Wars, getting active.
Ooh.
Ask Uncle Boy. He see me drop somebody.
I'll be going crazy on that.
Ooh, that one had a load of flavor.
Hey, Rika. Oh yeah, not dog here.
Yeah.
Lame
Presidente.
El
Presidente.
Presidente.
I slapped his head off. The boy call me that sensei.
The sensei.
Kuta Kente. I'm running the track. My wrist mic around. Let me get that egg.
No.
El Presidente.
El Presidente.
I'm
I'm hard
running
at
the
your
track
sensei.
like Kuta Kente. I chop his head. Call me sensei.
All right.
Oh no.
All right.
Come here, Draco. Aren't you the cutest alive, Draco? Aren't you the cutest
I
alive?
love y'all. I didn't make the weed better, dog. Just be yourself.
I have juice watch.
Draco.
Ooh, bless you.
Spicy.
Bless you.
Boy.
Bless you.
I don't think they can even hear the ASMR.
Woo! Idaho potatoes. Where your mom at?
Like you threw up
She's
on
a meat eater. She's a meat eater. She's a meat eater.
Huh?
here. Just because you like.
Where Betty at?
You
I
ate
think she
meat.
upstairs.
You physically put it in your mouth.
That mean I ate it, mean you digested
You
it.
drunk the juice and stuff.
Yeah, man, that's how we doing down
You
south.
drank the fragments.
That's what we do.
She said
You
the
ate-
fragments.
You ate some of the atoms.
All in style, man.
If she's not allowed to add
Crawfish, potatoes.
They're probably sitting there right now.
Sausages, flam,
So really, you want this?
those high, something like that.
Look, take a nibble out of it. I'm not gonna tell nobody.
Boy, no.
Woo!
You're only doing that like if I wanted to eat meat, I would eat it if I wanted to. Nobody's forcing me.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. That means she eats meat.
You ate them lollipops? You ate them?
Oh.
You ate them? You want them?
Yeah, good.
Good.
Very basic.
What?
Whoa. I can't edit that either, y'all.
Some lollipops.
Bro,
You
I'll
other
ask you, did you eat yours, bro? Do you want them?
I want it. Cause I want it.
No, because I want
No,
them.
I want it. Can I play Roblox?
El Caliente.
I'll
Cause
play
it
Minecraft.
didn't there.
Her up and be
Get
done.
ready. Can I
Bro,
play
you can play
Minecraft?
Minecraft.
I hit that like, I hit that subscribe. I want to know anything about what's going on right now. Y'all already know.
We really looking
Leave
at
comments, man.
like
Y'all
sea
see I'm back to
bugs
back
in our
with it.
mouths and eat their butts.
Are you serious right now?
What?
You lucky I don't never lose my appetite, bro.
Gonna be picky.
If you think about it,
Bro,
because when the juice squirt in your mouth.
no, shut up.
I can't edit that either. For that time.
Caliente. Why were you in my room?
What?
Why were you in my room?
When?
You said I feel
I want some juice.
Water. Some
I wasn't
water.
in your room. I don't have to be in your
All you
room
had
to
to
know
do is
you
walk
listening to
past.
slime is ASMR.
gasoline is different, doesn't it?
You want
I
a
need one more
water?
big coffee. You gonna hand me that one right there?
Like that.
Look.
Dang, no, you have a whole entire mountain of crawfish.
Water, bro.
So let's make some Kool-Aid.
Or else you're ugly.
Get the napkin. Get the napkin.
Gotta have these waters, man. Y'all already know, man. El Presidente, y'all see what's going on? Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see, hey, back-to-back videos. You want water here?
I'm cooking up something in here.
Gotta have that water.
Ain't jumping off
The twins.
I'm stuck on this. It's burning and it's smoking my eyes. It's smoking. It's smoking my eyes. See, what the is this IDK? Let me get back to the ain't jumping off.
What's that pig feet, man?
Mm-hmm.
Pig feet, New Orleans pig feet. For all y'all vegans, not bad, man. Hey, it's too good. Great seasoning. Use New Orleans crawfish. Ball
Yes, Lord.
MukBang?
Yes, Lord. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Lord. What you know about that paprika?
What you know about that paprika?
What's the name about that eater?
Mmm.
And you love that shit that eater.
More videos. I see the consistency with it though, huh? Like this video. Share this video. Tag El Presidente. Hashtag it. Yeah, make your day. Yeah, make my day. El Presidente with the sissy. Woo! Hot.
Can I tell you a secret?
What? You really trying to tell me a secret? Huh?
Thank God, I like this so much.
You think you like it? Excuse me.
Look. Let me say one more time. Thank God.
Stop! Why you did? Why you? Don't do that, Harry. You blow my eardrums off. Shit. She just being her. Somebody said, let me tell you a secret. Be like, hey! You like that. You know what I'm saying?
It's a trend.
I shop at East New Orleans, 7 Ward, 6 Ward, feed it. You know what I'm saying?
On 7 Wild
East
Boys
Show,
to him,
Bunker Hill, Northside.
Wow.
I'm gonna give y'all a close
Sad to win Atlanta, man. Had them with AZ.
Let me give y'all a close
Memphis.
up of this.
All y'all
crawfish.
tap in, man. Up north,
Memphis.
These crawfish.
West Coast.
These
You know what I'm saying?
crawfish
Cali Kush.
can remove their own hand if they wanted to.
Atlanta.
You already know ATL, Northside, Eastside, Zone 6, Zone
They
1.
taste very delicious. But it's,
Do it for all y'all, man. Hey,
you know they
we don't
cook
hit them
good.
nothing.
Be quiet.
Holla
You know
at
they
me.
cook. You know they cook good.
Harry, you better, hey. You better tuck yourself.
You know they cook good when they're red, or even bright. I mean, dark red. Like this. This is good.
Right. Tell him here.
Smaller ones are the least. Look, they don't taste so good.
Woo. 4.
But the big ones are good. Like Todd right here.
Oh. Hey, man, y'all already know what it is. Y'all enjoy the video. Give us a thumbs up. New Orleans style mukbang. Yeah, I see all the crawfish. I see all
Yes,
the
Lord.
stuff. Yes, Lord. Yeah, she ghost over there. You see over there.
Uncle, but I
Go
don't think
Bill.
you will like and subscribe if you keep on saying like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe.
What you said? Tell them what you said.
I don't think they will like and subscribe if you keep on
Okay,
saying
well.
like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Like
Post
and
that.
subscribe. You're supposed to say like 2 times and that's
Love y'all, man. See y'all in the next video.